Hello guys, welcome back to the mathematics class for this incoming WAEC JAM examination. So if I write this incoming WAEC JAM examination, this class is for you. So this is the first topic, and we're going to be diving into the number-based system according to this number that being released this year. So the first topic we have in the syllabus is number-based system for both WAEC and JAM examination. But why can JAM examination they are almost the same topic? But mathematics topic, the question are almost the same. If you're talking about number-based systems, if you can understand the topic very well, you can able to solve question on that particular topic. That is mathematics for that. So we are today. I'm going to share the first question we are going to be solving in this video. The first question we are going to be solving in this question. This is question 1. We are going to be solving in this particular class. So this is the question. This question is very important. It comes out in both WAEC examination, JAM examination, and likely questions also come out in post-term examination like UI, like UI. Like Uniben. First question always come out on that this topic on a base system is one of very important topic in mathematics that no matter the kind of exam you are trying to write, you will see this question will definitely come out. It definitely comes under this topic. Likely question today is always come out. This is one of the previous question for this year. Do not miss this class. So maybe you are watching us for our website or watching us for our Facebook page, or either our Facebook page, follow us and give a like to this video, share with your friend. And also if you're watching us for our YouTube channel, try to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest update like this, and also share with your friends. So thank you guys. So let's look how we can solve this mathematics question. I think by now you should have your lesson notes with you and your pen. Okay, I have lesson notes with you and your pen, so we can dive into it. So I have the first question. I'm going to explain this question step by step and how to solve this question similar to this question. In case you see the question that's similar to this question, how you can solve it. So stay today on this class. Do not try to stay away from distraction. Do not make it stay in a place that people they can be distracting you, and that is very important. That is why when you come to my class, I always tell you try your possible to pick your mind so you can learn together. Okay, so let's go. We have the question here. We have the question. Okay, the question reads that if 2n for base 7, this is base 7 equal to, we have 15n base 9, find the value of n. So we're told to find the value of n. So if you see this question, this comment examination, I can see that many of you, when you're asking in secondary school, there's a tendency that this question is not likely question like this. You may not be taught in school, and just a surprise to see the question this is coming like a JAM examination, next examination, how they attempt to solve this question. And this question is quite very simple. Okay, it's quite very simple. At the end of this video, you're going to learn how to solve the question, how to solve this question, and the question that's similar to this question. Okay, this question is taken from the number-based system as well on the topic, and it is from some topic called equations in number-based system, because they have an equation that be equal to that equation in number-based system. Now, what are the first thing to do here? Then first of all, write the question out. Okay, we have a 2n. Okay, we have 4 then base 7 equal to, we have 1 5. Okay, we have n in base 9. So let's see how the first step to do. The first is to do whenever you're given a question. Okay, you're given a question and the both side, the right hand side there and the left hand side there, they are not of the same base. This one is base 9. Okay, this one is base 7. They are not of the same base. What you just have to do here is to convert this base to base 10. Any number you are given that they are not of the same base, you convert this the base to base 10. So the right hand side there you convert to base 10. The left hand side there you convert to base 10 This is right hand side rather. You convert to base 10, and the left hand side there you convert to base 10. So that is how you solve it. If you convert to base 10, you'll find it easy to solve. So let's dive into it. So maybe ask me, how do you convert a number to base 10? If you're converting any other base to base 10, you use expansion method. The very easy method you can use is expansion. Now, when you're in school, you are familiar with the expansion method, how to convert other bases to base 10. That we use expansion method. I'm going to explain it in this video. Don't worry, at the end of this class, we're going to be finding more interesting to solve question under this topic and likely question to this question. I have up to 25 questions under this particular topic, but we're able to solve. I have like 47 questions on this topic. I was able to solve like 12 for you, so I will be giving you assignment, okay, and class sub for you to participate. Okay, that is why this lesson is very, very important. I'll give you assignment for you to participate. So when you solve the question you send to me, I will check it, and I will mark you. I'll also give you another one for the next class. That is how we're doing it, is to make the class more interactive and more understandable. I need to test you with examples. Yes, done. So if you want to get this material, you can visit our site. I can visit our website. I can let me know in the comment section around this video. You can say you want to need this material I'm using for this lesson. You can let me know. I will definitely direct you how you can get the material. So let's go. Okay, the question is that this space now, this pattern, let's cover this left hand side there to base 10. Let's first solve this one. Let's divide into 2. So let's say this left hand side there. Let's solve this left hand side there, and let's have it go to the right hand side there, and we'll solve it. So first of all, let's do it the left hand side there. So we have the left hand side there. We have 2n base 4, 2n 4, okay, base 7. So let's convert it to base 10. When you're converting to base 10, the first digit here, that is 2, multiplied by the base. This is what 7 plus, that is it is expansion. You take the first digit to multiply the base given. Okay, next digit, that is what n. This n represents a certain number. That is if we're trying to find the value of n. So it's the value of n you want to look for. So this next digit, that is n, that will be n, okay, multiplied by the base, that is 7, plus the next digit, that is 4, that is 4 multiplied by the base, that is 7. I get down. Now after you have expanded, the next thing to do is to indicate the index. And when you indicate the index, you start from the right hand side there on top the base. Okay, right hand side there on top the base, you start from the 0, indicating for the first one there, the first base here at the right hand side is raised to the power of 0. Okay, the second one is raised to the power of 1. Okay, the third one to raised to the power of 2. As we say for another one to raised to the power of 3 to the last digit. So means that we have 7 raised to the power of 2 here, and 7 raised to the power of 1 there, and 7 raised to the power of 0 here. That as simple as that. Now the next thing here now is to solve it in a very easy way. Now 7 raised to the power of 7, it means that we multiply 7 in 2 times. But let me find it out. So therefore this one becomes, let me write it here, that is a 2 multiplied by 7 raised to the power of 7 means that 7 multiplied by, okay, let me write the very one. 7 multiplied by 7, that is 7 times 7, plus we have n multiplied by, okay, here we have 7 raised to the power of 1, that is 7 in one places, that is 7, plus we have 4 multiplied by, okay, we have 7 raised to the power of 0. In indices, anything that raised to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. Anything at all raised to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. So that means that 7 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So it means that we have 1 there. I get now. So we have 1 there. So in this place now, that will be equal to 7 times 7. 7 times 7, that should be, that is 49 times 2. That will give us as 98. So here we have 98 here. We have plus. We have 7 times n, that give us 7 what? 7n. Okay. We have plus 4 times 1, that is equal to what? 4. So this one simply means that. So let's add this one together. 94. Okay, let's call it lifetime to make it easy. Let's call it lifetime. We have a number here, we have a number here. So let's take it together. We have 98 what plus 4, okay, plus 7 what n. So when you add it together, 98 plus 4, that will give us 102. Do you understand? So it means that we have what? 102 plus what? 7 what? n. How we get to this extent? 102 plus what? 7n. I hope you get it to this extent. So if you have any question, you can let me know. You can let me know in the comment section. we shall proceed. So the next thing we have to do here is to, you know, that this one now we cover this one, this color this. So let's say that therefore we have 2n what are 4 in base 7 is equal to 102 plus 7n in base 10. Okay, is equal to 102 plus 7n in base 10. So we are converting the left hand side here to base 10. From base 7 to base 10, this is the answer in base 10. Now let's go to the second part here, which is the right hand side here. Let's solve that one also, and then we conjoin it together. Let's solve that one also, and then we take it together. So let me try to create space. Let me write that one out first. Okay, we have it as 1 5 what n base 9. So let's convert it to base 10. Now to convert to base 10, the same step we did the first left hand side there is the same step we did here. Take the first digit here, that is 1, that is 1 multiplied by the base here, which is 9, that is multiplied by 9, okay, plus, okay, the next digit, that is 5 multiplied by the base, that is what, that is 9, okay, the next digit that is plus, we have n, okay, n multiplied by the base, that is what, 9. Now after it now, you indicate the index. Starting from 0 for the right hand side there, and that is 0. Okay, next one to be 1, and next one to be 2. I get it now. Now it will be equal to, this one will be 1 multiplied by 9 base power of 2. That is 9 times 10. That is 9 times 9 plus, okay, we have the 5, okay, multiplied by 9 base power of 1. That is 9. Again, now so we have 9 here, plus we have 80 raised power of 0. 80 raised power of 0 is equal to 1. So we have n multiplied by 1. I get that is n raised power of 0 is equal to 1, n raised by 1. You understand? So in this place now, that is 1 times 9, that is 9. 9 times 9, that is what, 81. So we have 81 here. So we have 81 here plus 5 times 9, that is 45. Okay, that is 45 plus, and we have n times 1, that is what, n. So if we add it together, if you add this one together, 81 plus 45. So what we get, that will give us 126. Okay, that is 126 plus what, plus n. So it means that in this place, it means that what we have here as this, what we have here are the 2n, we have 15n in base 9. It is equal to 126 plus n in base 10. Again, in base 10. So we can say therefore we have 15n in base 9 is equal to, that is 126 n plus n in base 10. Again, now we can then put this one is what we get in base 10, and this is what we get in base 10 for the right left hand side there, and this is right hand side here. Now the next thing to do here, let's put this one into the expression. Let's put it into the expression. So let me try to bring it out. Let me take this one out here so we can make it very well. Let me roll this part. So let me try to show you so we can write it together. So we have the expression that says that we have a 2 or 2n, okay, 4 in base 7 equal to, we have 1 5, okay, we have n, okay, in base 9. Now we get our 2n 4 in base 7 is equal to 102 plus 7n in base 10. So therefore this one becomes, that is 102, okay, plus 7 what, n, okay, in base 10. This one becomes this in base 10 equal to the right hand side there in base 10. We get it as to be equal to what we get here, that is 126. As we get a 126 plus n in base 10. So that means that we are writing this to be equal to, that will 1 or 2 or 6, okay, plus n in base 10. This is equal to 126 plus n in base 10. So So the next thing you have to do here now, let's collect the lifetime. Let's collect the lifetime. So when you collect the lifetime, we take the number to number, and we take what the lifetime that has a net as n is coming to both sides here. So you take it together. So when you take it together, this will be what? Let's take this n to this part and take the number to this part here. So here we have 7n there. That will be equal to, we have 7 what? 7n. Okay. Take this n to this place, positive n here. Immediately because this is equal to, we change to minus. So means that we have minus what? Minus n. I get now to be equal to, here we have 126 here. So when you take this 104 102 to this part, that will give us, that will be minus, because the sign here is minus, the sign here is plus. When you go to the other side, there turn to minus, we have 102. Now we want to make it a simple mathematics. Now you just do the simple mathematics here. So 7n minus n, that gives us a 6n to be equal to, so let's subtract this into from this, that is 126 minus 102, that gives us as 24. Now to get the value of n here, then to get the value of n at this place, you have to divide both sides by the coefficient of n, and the coefficient of n here is equal to what? 6. So it means that we divide both sides by 6, we divide both sides by what? By 6. So this 6, we count this 6 here now, so you miss what? Miss n to be equal to, so in this place now, 6 here, 1, 6 can go in 24, how many 6 can in 24? That is 4 times. So it means that a made of 4, so it means that n is equal to 4. So the value of n is equal to 4. The value of n is equal to 4. So if you look at it now, this is the step by step to solve this mathematics question. You see, it is very simple. You can see the step is, we start from this part, and they get it. For the first, whenever you're solving this question, let's say a question like this, is to convert it to base 10. Okay, is to convert to base 10. To make it easy for you, you convert it to base 10, and this is the step by step to convert any base to base 10. This one is in base 7, and this is how you convert it to base 10. If it is 3, the base here, instead of writing, if you're writing 7 here, you're writing at 3. If you're writing 7 here, you're writing at 3. If this one is base, if base 3, it's being a base of any number. That is how you convert this one to base 10, and that is step by step to solve this mathematics question. And that's step by step to solve the mathematics question. In case you see this mathematics question in this upcoming WAEC or JAMB examination, that is step by step to solve it. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the class. So let's move to the next class of the day under this number based system. Okay, let's move to the next class. Don't forget to share with your friend, tell your friend about the platform. Come and learn mathematics with us. Thank you. Let's move to the next question of the day.